Hello, everybody. Beautiful, kind, and gentle souls. How are you doing with the energies today? Some of your old feelings coming back, same thoughts, wondering why? Well, from what I gather, it's because it's a release. Just coming up to be released. So, as hard as it is to see them and feel them again, just rest. Relax in the knowing, if you choose, that it's just another surrender, another releasing of the old, so that the new you can come in. It's a surrender. I find it's a little bit more gentle today than it has been in the past 8 months. We heard the pileated woodpecker, or pileated, however you want to pronounce it. Opportunities knocking. It could be the opportunity to release, to surrender. I think that's confirmation. All the old ways, all that is serving you no longer. So if all you can do today is rest, and you don't feel like getting out of bed, or you just want to have a bath, do it. Call in sick to work if you feel or if you choose. Again, it's a choice. I'm giving suggestions. The energies are strong, and it serves you and the collective to love yourself enough to surrender, to release, to rest, and pamper yourself. Just give yourself something today. Give yourself the big hug. Give yourself the big love. Give yourself the rest. If you choose. It'll all happen when it is supposed to, or when it is meant to. My heart is beating, and I think feel it opening. I'm not sure. But the more you all heal, the more the collective heals. Love yourself. Look after yourself today. And remember, you deserve to rest. Aho.